So again, no, it's bad day for me, yeah? Again, in near Christmas time. So here, hey Hearty Satina, there you are, no? Want to become, no? There, the message, no? So November earnings, no? Here, November earnings, there, no? Then that earnings are delayed, no? YouTube sent inaccurate earnings report again because of the copyright sa YouTube. So here, no? Again, the payment been paid, no? Old na here, the old, no? Payment nga, no? PayPal by which lagi? One you got, no? 3 weeks PayPal, and then maybe I have to transfer for the Western Union siguro. So again, fifth treatment session. So here, no, fifth treatment sessions, December 22, 2014, no, same but increase, no, RT Pure Care Management, additional movable board, then cardio by which the only machine nga wala ninyo, no, nga mo'y nakaayo na. So here, atong gisukod, no, this is not the affected side, 14.5. Again, 14.5 there. So on the partial tear on the right, no, there from basket, no. So here 14.5, no, again 14.5, there you are, no. So again, this is ACL, no, anterior cruciate ligament partial tear, no, as seen in the MRI by Chunghwa Hospital, no. There again, so hubag kini dinhi karon, no, wa na again, wa na there again, mo base lang po ko sa MRI, no, nga 6 weeks the processing, no, by which kini si kano, no, educated kani by which varsity player basketball, no. So here the week, no, is week 5 na, ano, yeah, week 5, no, there. So we're done the 4 weeks, no, by which lagi 6 weeks the processing, by which January 5, see you at the basketball court, no, see you at the basketball court. Oy, which is na karon, it's about sports attire na, no, okay, sports attire. Today is about 22, no, so week 5 na, week 5, no, there. Oh, sports attire now, basketball, by which, no, follow this one also. Again, duha ni ka patient, no, follow this one, by which nga pinakangingig po din, no, partial tear, then MRI, no, then helping maneuver siya. Again, nawagi na tunggalan for the people, no? 3 weeks you hold the money, yeah. Again, thank you.